y'all, welcome back. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you may be watching this video. Me and the kids haven't been too long, ate breakfast, got a late start on things, but that's okay. The goal of today is to accomplish as much as I can, and what I can't accomplish, don't worry about it. It's supposed to be a high of 77 degrees today, and I'm gonna see what I can get done. I know I gotta go and do some stuff in the garden, but those of you that's following me on my gardening channel, Amazing Grace Garden, link is in the description box of this video. Then y'all know what I've been doing over there. A lot of live streams, a lot of information, a lot of harvest, all that good stuff. So I know I gotta do that, but it will not be, you know, in this vlog because they are separate. All right, but I know what I want to do today, and like I say, got a late start, but I know what I want to do. So let's just hope I can get this task done. Okay. Okay. I can't sleep. Alright, y'all. So what it is about a month ago, a little over a month ago, one of my neighbors put on our neighborhood Facebook page that she had a refrigerator that she didn't want, and y'all know I have two already, but this one was free. I couldn't pass it up because I know I'm gonna need it for Amazing Grace produce. Okay, so it needs some TLC, and that's what I'm about to do. So let me show y'all. I was trying to pull it's been in my garage since I got it. We pushed it straight from down the street all the way, pushed it all the way, rolling it, going down the street. Look, I ain't no shame in my game. It was free. So I'm gonna show y'all what it look like, but I'm about to get to cleaning it. I tried to pull it out my garage, but when it gets on this little lever thing, it sounded like it was gonna drag or something. It wasn't an issue getting it in, but I don't want to mess it up, so I'm gonna leave it here and clean it from right here. Let me show you. This is the refrigerator. Okay, I don't need no ice maker or nothing. This is how it looks. She said it was in her garage. They upgraded. It has some juice and stuff down there. Look like a little mold, so I'm about to take care of that with some bleach water and all that. So this is a good refrigerator for me to clean up, sanitize really well, and then get I can use it in my garage for extra produce and drinks and things like that. So yeah, a whole free refrigerator. Okay, so yeah, that's what it's gonna be used for, extra drinks and stuff, extra produce and stuff like that when I need to put something up to sell. So yeah, so I got some cleaning to do, but that's fine because it was free. Before I even get started in this, I already see what I'm gonna have to do, y'all. This wig ain't gonna work. It's heavy. Woo! Jesus. And it's long, so it's so it's gonna be getting in the water in my face and all that. This is one of them sit down wigs. That's when you sit down and you on there. That's one of them sit down wigs. Here. Okay, y'all, so I'm not done, but my son, if y'all don't know about his channel, Rod Vlogs, he doing the mold. He having a hard time with getting his rhythm for growing the yard, mowing the yard. So I'm about to show him, teach him real quick on an easy way to mow the grass. So y'all go follow him. Y'all help me teach him on, you know, what to do, give him some advice and stuff like that. He's a young man. He growing. We trying to do the best we can. So I'm finna show him the easy way, though, the easier way, the way I was taught to do. You go down one row, you're gonna go down that row, you're gonna turn around, come back up that same row. When you get here, when you turn, you're not gonna skip a row. You still want part of this more to be kind of in that same row, so you don't have a row grass not cut and a row. You get what I'm saying? And that's the way you're gonna do it. All right, y'all. So that's my teaching for the day. That's my teaching for the day. So I'm gonna stop with this because I ain't even got started on it really good. I done showed him, so you get it now. Yes. You understand it? It's easier. So he's gonna finish up. It's lunchtime, So
I just thought we start right here and that's it.
all right, so y'all hit the channel link for him is in the description box. If y'all want to go over and support him, give him some of the guys give him some tips or whatnot or what he could do. It's gonna be ride vlogs, he vlogs, everything, but the link is in the channel in the description box because it is a new channel. All right, y'all, so this is what I'm having for lunch. I didn't put no tomatoes on there because my girl, and I put some ketchup on there and I shouldn't have did that, but tomatoes would have been really, really good. But got a beef burger because beef and the iron, the red meat, all that. Got a pickle. I put a pickle on the side, and I'm gonna have these honey barbecue chips, and I'm gonna have one of these Hugs juices. Whew, okay, y'all, so I'm back inside. So I'm gonna have to finish the refrigerator thing tomorrow because it started raining. So I didn't get much done with it, but it's all right though. I was able to get it out, assess it. I did start it, but I had to, you know, quit. So that's fine. It'll get done tomorrow. Probably this guys will probably get done tomorrow evening because I think we're supposed to have rain tonight and early in the morning. So yeah. So yeah, I didn't get a chance to finish that, but it's all right though. So right here, y'all, I just came from out there in the garden. I done washed everything and I'm about to put everything up, but I got some sweet basil, some peppermint, some lettuce. I got more lettuce and stuff to get, but this is what I harvested for now. Few strawberries, a few dwarf grade sweet peas, some green onions, my greens, Georgia collard greens, and some Swiss chard. So if y'all ain't over, if y'all want to know how I grow my food and stuff, Amazing Grace Garden, the link is in the description box. You can see everything over there, but this is what I just got out the garden. I'm about to go ahead and package it up. All right, y'all, so y'all didn't get a chance to see it, but I did come in here and organize the food pantry, okay? Because I need to see what I got, what I need to get, which I need to get. So I'm gonna do another video and explain more about the food pantry and the different thing that I am doing for is emergency stocking up on food and stuff, because y'all, we're gonna have to do it. We're gonna have to continue to do it. It's no time to stop from doing it. So I did come in here and organized everything. I didn't even think to film it because I just dug in. So we'll have a more in-depth look on this, and I explain to y'all what I'm actually doing, and hopefully it will help y'all. Okay, so with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here, y'all. I had something that I was working on. I had told y'all on the other channel, and I wasn't going to be putting up this week on this channel, but the weather changed things, so I look like I will be putting up on this channel. So yeah, so I will get this video up for y'all today, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. Okay, but yeah, I definitely got more videos on different things to help with, hopefully to help manage and make you be able to prepare, you know, things like that, for emergencies, for a job loss, whatever it is, and do it in an easy way. So again, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you in the next one if it's God's will. Okay, bye.